That's not quite right. Water like that next to your foundation, no good. As you'd expect, that tree clogged up that gutter. Cleaning out your gutters is not fun. First, you got to get out the heavy ladder. Then in some cases, you got to be on the roof. And that's just extra wear and tear on your shingles. You just don't need that. So let me take a second to show you how I modified my battery operated leaf blower. So I actually disconnected this black head and I took it to the store with me to make sure I got the right size PVC. For me, this is simply a 2-inch pipe. I first started with a 90-degree elbow. Then I added a 45-degree with a reducer that went down to 1.5 inches. And I simply did that for a more direct airflow. All these things are super common and I picked them up at the Lowe's plumbing section. And because this piping is so cheap, you can make a few of these depending on how tall your gutters are. This thing had absolutely no problem blowing out all those little stones from the asphalt shingles. So you know it's got no problem blowing out all those little leaves. Say for example, you're 6 feet tall. The black extension on this leaf blower is about 2 feet long. The PVC 2-inch piece I used was about 5 feet long. So with this setup, I can reach about 15 feet. Another 3-foot or 4-foot long piece could be completely manageable without having to modify more things. Like and follow for more daily tips.